Good afternoon, welcome to my channel, Watercolor Painting in the Afternoon. My name is Beth and today I'm not watercolor painting. I had this, last time I did chicken stickers and that was fun. And I had sticker paper left over. And I'm a waste not, want not kind of guy, kind of gal. And I have these markers. They're alcohol ink markers. And when I got them, I thought I was getting brush tip, y'all. I did not get brush tip. I got the chisel nib and the fine nib, which is, it's okay, it's all right, you know. But I'm gonna slowly transition over to brush nibs as soon as I can. I mean, I just made a mistake when I ordered them, and then I didn't send them back because I'm too lazy. So today I just wanted to use my sticker paper and make some cute bugs. And it's fun to do stuff like this because it helps you figure out colors that go together. I mean, look at those two colors. I think those go together beautifully. Two little green colors. We can make maybe, how about a little snail? Let's make a little snail. See, I think I'm gonna make it. Can you see it there? Okay, yeah, you can. And I'm just looking online too. I'm looking at different cute bugs, clip art and stuff like that, and kind of getting some ideas. I'm not trying to sell any of these things, so I don't care if I steal an idea. So let me just do this little buggy head right here. This is my snail head. And then he's got a little snail body that comes down this way a little bit. And yeah, there he is. He's just a little fella. It's gonna be cute. And I do these little stickers, and then I just give them away. I give them to my little girls at church usually. Here's his little shell body, just like that. And maybe he's got his little opening right there. He comes out. I don't know, do they have antenna, snails? I don't know whether they do or not. I'm giving mine some antenna. And that's his little opening. Let's see, I want to line that opening with something. Maybe just black. How about that? I just want to line it so that we know that's the opening to his shell. And he's going to have a little eye right here. Another little eye right there. And maybe, I don't know if he's smiling. Do I put a little smiley face on him or not? I don't know. That'd be all right. Let's see. Let me give him a little shadow under here. And delineate between the snail and the shell. Now I want to color in the shell. And the thing about a snail shell, they have the little swirly, right? They have a little swirly in there. So cute. Just like that. I don't know that it matters a whole lot where you start and end the swirl. Let's put, and the thing about this is that if I mess one up, I just don't use it. I really don't care. Look, how cute. How cute. Let's see, I'm gonna come on the other side too. He's just a little, living his best little snail life. Just out there living it, living the dream, the snail dream. I think I'm done with that one. What's the next bug? What if we did a bee? Let's do a bee. Let's say, yellow and black, and maybe for the wings, what color's that? Sky blue? I don't want sky blue. Let's do a kind of a pastel violet for the wings. I don't know. That might work, it might not. So first thing I'm gonna do is this little bee body. Her little bee body. Let's see, maybe she's got a chubby little bee body right there. And a little bee head right here. And she's got some cute little wings. And maybe put some veins in the wings, because it kind of looks like that to me. The wings look like they have veins in them. Oh, okay. And then we have little stripes. I use these things sometimes for my, like for my calendar. Like I said, sometimes I'll give them away to the kids at church. They always appreciate them. There we go. And does the bee have little feet? I don't know. Let's put some little feet on the bee. There we go. Just sitting there looking at you. All right, my bee. What else? What about, oh, everybody does a ladybug, but I guess I could do a ladybug. Let's see, let's do, what if I did a little thicker ladybug right here? And then her face is gonna go in there somewhere. And let's color it in bright red. You have to be careful with ladybugs because there are these Japanese ladybugs. I think that's actually what they're called. They bite. They really, and it hurts. I've had them bite me before, the little critters. Because I thought it was a regular ladybug and it was not. Okay, so I've got little black dots here, and here's my little buggy eyes right here, right here. This takes a very light touch and some accuracy that perhaps I do not have, but that's okay. Not the absolute best at drawing delicate things, to be honest with you. There's there's my ladybug. All right. She's all right. Let me see. I'm gonna put a little split in the wing right there. There we go. That makes it a little bit better. Let's see, caterpillar. Ooh, caterpillars could be fun because you can do all kinds of fun colors. Let's do orange. What's great with orange? Green is great with orange. So what color green? I'm looking. What color green do I have here that would go well with the orange? How about, oh, well, the one I already had out was good. That's good. So I've got green and orange, and what else do I want? Maybe yellow. Would that be good? Ooh, that would be pretty. I like that combination, okay. So we'll see what the yellow's gonna be pretty light. We'll see. We'll see about it. I don't know yet. So I think I'm gonna alternate little round circles of green and orange. I'll start with the green. 1, 2, 3, 4. And some orange ones. See, does he have an orange head or a green head? Let's give him an orange head. And we'll just find a little orangey portions of his body. Look at that. That's funny. And we'll give him little black feet, because that's what he needs. He needs little black feet. He's got one here, one here. Little stubby feet. Little stubbies. And he's looking at you, and he's got a great big grin on his face. And I don't know, maybe he has maybe some hair. Okay, he's got, this is a hairy caterpillar. He's got a little antenna too. That is hilarious. I told you I'm not great at this, but I mean, it's still fun, right? Let's see. We could do maybe a cricket. A cricket in a different green this time. Let's do this green here. And let's see here. The cricket has a little kind of a smiley shaped body. Just fill it in here. I'm going to use the other tip to fill it in quicker. All right, and then he's got little feet. So his little feet come up like this. Sorry, other than just demonstrating what I'm doing. Oh, great. Okay, and then he's going to have the little antennae. These little bugs have antennae. Little Martians. That's what they are, you know, they're aliens from another planet. I'm not a big bug fan, to be honest with you. I don't, you know. And I try not to be like all swatty and everything. Like, you know, some people are really just hate bugs and they kill them all day long. And I'm trying not to kill them, but yeah, I'm not a real super big bug fan. Let's see, what else could I do? One more, and then I will stop for the day. But you know, I just like to do these with my little alcohol ink markers. You can do them with any kind of marker. Gosh, there's a whole bunch of ladybugs. Okay, how about a dragonfly? A dragonfly I'm going to do in pink and yellow. So a very delicate, and maybe a little black. All right, so the body should be maybe an orange body. Let's do an orange body. We're gonna do that, and I'll just make, this one I'm not really copying anything, it's just me making a little dragonfly. Okay, so a pink wing, which I shall put perhaps on top here. Perhaps I shall tell you the story someday of how I panicked when a dragonfly landed on my back and would not leave. It was pretty awesome. Okay. I went screaming up and down the hallway. Get it off, get it off, get it off. All right. So these are just little bugs. I mean, you know, like I said, I'm no great artist when it comes to just drawing little doodles, but I don't like to leave things like my sticker paper, you know, undone. I don't throw things like that away because it's an art supply and I want to use it. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Get your sticker paper out, get your markers out. That can be watercolor markers or alcohol ink or whatever kind you have. And just play around. Make yourself some stickers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.